Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Tash, and at the moment I'm doing 31 days of Halloween. And today I have a friend here, and this is Kelly.
Hi!
And today we're going to be unboxing and trying Japan Crate. So if you don't know what Japan Crate is, it's a Japanese subscription box, and it includes all different snacks from Japan. So upon opening it, it looks like this, and comes with a little booklet to tell you everything that's in there.
What? Oh, question is, what do we get to start with first?
Lucky dip.
Lucky dip. Lucky dip. All right.
First thing that Kelly has pulled out is peanut chocolate Halloween pack. So let's give these a try. We also have Lenny here, who doesn't want to be on camera at the moment because there's not enough room in the frame. Say hi, Lenny.
Hi.
The packaging is pretty cute. Oh, they're different.
Yeah, my one has little ghosts on it.
I got kitty cat and
What do you have?
witch.
Ah, you got bats. That's cute.
Oh, bats!
Alright, so let's try these and see what they're like.
Smaller than I thought. Look like this. Not bad. At first it was like really soft.
What do you think?
Pretty cool.
Like a chewy center.
Those were really nice. I thought so anyway. What about you guys? So the next thing is caramel corn, which was chosen by Lenny. So let's open these up and see what they're like.
I have a smell. Can you smell it? Is it strong?
Different.
Oh, wow. It is different. Almost smell a little spicy. They look like this too. Can you check?
They look like little macaronis.
It's like sweet and savory is what I'm getting. Maybe it's just me.
I can taste the sweetness.
Mm.
I don't know, they're very, very unique.
Do I recommend them? Yes.
Yeah, they're not bad. I don't know what this is, but it looks cute.
Oh, it's like a birthday cake. Or a cake.
Takenoko nosato strawberry shortcake.
Oh, yeah, because that's what they're
Is that how it's pronounced?
Tekinoko
Nosato.
I've always wanted to try one of the strawberry shortcakes though, so this will be interesting.
So let's open these up. So they come in a baggie inside the cardboard box.
Cute though.
And they kind of smell like Hello Panda.
Mmm, I can really smell the strawberry. And they're like this. Little. It's like, it makes me think of a unicorn horn a little bit. Well, it does.
Kind of makes me think of an ice cream cone or a pine cone or something.
They're nice.
They're good. Want more?
Oh, I will. Oh, wait, no.
Kelly has chose the apple pie Kit Kats.
Oh, that's gonna be interesting. Oh, I like that. It says Halloween on it with a little ghosty. It's really cute. Oh, I can actually smell the apple. It smells nice.
And they're purple.
I wasn't expecting that.
I'll let Kelly go first.
Wow. I wish you could taste it. Makes me think of McDonald's apple pie. A little bit.
I'm not really a fan, so you can have the other half.
Okay.
Next thing we have Mickey Mouse chocolate. Yeah.
And piglet. Wee. Not bad.
It's not like an overly sweet chocolate, which I think is good.
It's a really dark chocolate though.
And I usually hate dark chocolate. Next thing is Pokemon. Name that Pokemon because I have no idea. Or that one. New Pokemon.
Could do. It's not from what we grew up
It's definitely a new Pokemon.
with. It has to be.
These are Pokemon Halloween Party Pack chocolate. They're Pikachu shaped.
Oh, sort of. Sort of. It's a little bit more. I don't know. It makes me think of it. Looks like it's fried, but it's not.
They kind of make me think of cereal.
Can we get...
Sort of.
Yeah, it's like a cereal bit. I don't know. I'm just trying to do the flavour.
I don't know.
But it's not overly sweet either, so...
Chosen a DIY gummy kit.
Ooh, that's gonna be exciting.
To be an eel that put blood on. So we're just gonna quickly make up this gummy kit off of camera. It's really thick.
I wasn't expecting it to be that thick.
Yeah, either was I. I was thinking it would be a bit more
Just a little bit more
Runny.
liquid. Yeah, not really liquid, but just a little
But
bit
like
more.
it's still gooing out.
You gonna lick it while it's dripping? It's so, look at this!
It's so stringy.
It's worse than stringy cheese. Oh, that's gonna go everywhere.
I'm just gonna pick a piece up with my fingers even though it's sticky as.
It's really sticky. It tastes like, do you know the little Coca-Cola bottle lollies? That's what it tastes
does.
like. It wasn't too bad. Let's try a bit without it. It is better with the blood syrup. Do you have a spicy aftertaste? I got a spicy aftertaste in my mouth. I don't know if it's a mixture or.
Oh really?
Okay.
I don't know.
Cute.
And then we have Halloween Pocky, which is, I'm guessing strawberry flavor.
Share happy. It doesn't really say
Share
that.
happiness is not a flavor, Kelly.
Hey, I was trying. I was looking. Oh my gosh.
Oh, broken.
That's sad.
Strawberry.
Yeah, I know, but it's good. Oh, it's because it's broken.
Next thing is, ooh. These make me think of childhood. They're rainbow strap things.
Makes it, yeah, high school makes it.
Yeah. Fruits Monster Rainbow.
Oh, it smells nice.
That does smell nice. Does it tear like the other ones? Yay!
I've never done that.
That was like my favorite thing to do with them. Just
Oh,
like,
I can't even do that. Oh, yeah. Oh, cool. No, it didn't work. It broke. It's a Halloween chocolate bat.
So on the inside it looks crispy, I
It
guess.
does look a bit crispy. Oh, it smells like marshmallow. I can't figure out what it tastes like, but it's something I had before.
I'm not really a fan of that one. What do you guys think?
Me either.
It wasn't too bad. I don't know how I'd go if I ate the whole lot. I think it'd be too sickly. But it's not the worst thing. Ooh, that looks so cute. It's strawberry. I need to get it. Oh, I'm a little bit short. Ooh, strawberry. It looks pretty. It's got like strawberry jam in it. I don't know if you can pick it up, but yeah.
Okay.
Marshmallow.
We have a soda bottle candy. I would assume it would be cola.
It looks like it.
No,
No,
it's not cola.
That would be something
It
different.
smells really good though.
Oh. Oh.
How good does it smell?
Oh, it smells like bubble gum. Oh yeah, that's so good. I thought they were little bats. Not too sure what they are.
Halloween Pero Confito? They look like little rocks.
Or like little bits of popcorn.
Yeah.
Oh wow. They're like nerds. A little bit.
Yeah, but
Different taste. All I got the taste of is grape.
Yeah, looks like it's great.
Is that grape or is it just from the one before?
let's try another one and see if we're still
What, another
tasting the
one?
cola bottle.
No, it's grape.
Okay. Natu Yumapo?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is that? Feels hard. Kinda looks like a cheesel. I don't know what it tastes like.
It reminds me of what's those other ones? Like those cheese balls, like the cheese balls. It reminds me of that, but it also has like a chicken noodle flavor.
This is a cola jelly bowl.
It wasn't too bad, but it wasn't overly sweet. Not
So
quite.
this is what this looks like. And I think it's Ramune.
Oh, I'm trying to pick up the flavor. I got a hint of
I got lemon and lime.
yeah, that's what I say.
Donguri gum.
Samiko
So the next thing is Samiko Gurashi gum. And it was upside down. Samiko Gurashi gum.
Ooh, has an interesting smell to it.
Which is very soft.
I'm trying to work out the flavor. It's a little sweet, but it's not overly sweet.
It's a really nice gum. The final item from the box is milk caramel tea from Lipton. And it's got this cute little Halloween lady on it. The pumpkin hat.
Looks cute.
So now we're going to try this milk caramel tea and see what it's like. What are everyone's thoughts?
It's not bad. I can't really taste much of the caramel for me, but
I taste the
really
tea.
I can really taste tea in it though.
I taste the tea and the milk.
I think it's because
Like
it's a
maybe
really
the
light.
tiniest
Yeah.
touch of tea.
Caramel.
Yeah, that. Tiniest touch of caramel.
Yeah, we'll stir it before we
Wine
spit.
connoisseur.
Has a good smell. It's good because it's not over sweet, so which is good because I don't think a lot of people don't like sweet teas.
It's definitely different. That's all I have to say. It's not like my usual milk tea that I have, which is usually a taro milk tea because taro is life.
I'm used to matcha.
Much is good. And this concludes our unboxing of Japan Crate October 2019. Favorite thing out of all of this?
The first one wasn't too bad. Those ones.
Oh, the choco balls.
Choco balls,
yeah, they were good.
I like the Kit Kat. I gotta say the Kit Kat was nice too. And the tea wasn't too bad.
The tea wasn't bad.
We needed a drink after all that.
I did like this eel, but it was very, very sticky, which was also a downside of
to
it.
yeah.
And the Samiko Gorashi gum was really nice.
Maybe we should say what we don't like, which we didn't like. There was nothing that I said that was really bad though, like I wouldn't...
For me, the one thing I didn't like was the choco bat, because it kind of had like a chalky texture. And I wasn't a fan of that.
That wasn't too bad. It was not like on my top list, but it's not the worst thing I've eaten either. So.
Yeah. What did you say you didn't enjoy?
I don't think there was really anything that I didn't really enjoy. Like nothing was like, it was disgusting, I wouldn't eat it again.
Yeah. Japan crate was pretty good. We enjoyed most of it. Couple of things we weren't too
sure
on, but yeah. And what were you saying? Because I talk too much.
Sorry. Do we recommend it? Do we recommend this?
Do we recommend it?
Yeah, well if you want to try some Japan stuff and obviously can't get it here, totally. Although there's probably a lot of things here that it's where you don't know whether you'd be happy with it or not, but just try it. Try once and see how you go.
I would recommend this box if you're into sweets and you also like Japan culture. We did enjoy this box and
yes, we recommend it as well. It was good. Yeah, it was actually really fun. It was fun to see, although sorry we did get some of the names wrong, but it was good. I like the way she looks.
So that concludes this video and we hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And we will see you in the next video because we are doing another unboxing together. Anyway, bye!
Bye!